Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today is unboxing video. I purchased another item from Fendi and this is a clothing item. Please guys, stay with me, let me unbox this item with you, and I want to furthermore chat about Fendi clothing and maybe a little bit also about Fendi customer service. Please don't go away. As I already mentioned, today is going to be unboxing, and I'm gonna unbox with you my item from Luisaviaroma. By the way, I already purchased many items from Luisaviaroma, and if you have any questions about delivery, about the cost, if there is any additional cost, etc., about returns, about repairs, if you have any questions about Luisaviaroma, please put your questions or comments in the description box below and I will answer for you. Most likely if you're from Europe, you're more familiar with this brand, but if you're from the North America, Canada or United States, most likely you're not quite often purchasing from Luisaviaroma. So anyway, as I said, today I'm gonna unbox with you my Fendi items that I purchased from Luisaviaroma, and this is my second clothing items from Fendi. So I already obviously undone the ribbons because I don't want to waste your time. That's how usually it comes from Luisaviaroma. So you have the actual the purchase agreement, and that's how they packaged. Sometimes it comes with the box and sometimes it doesn't come with the box, and it's kind of, you know, unpredictable. You never know. That's what I kind of dislike a little bit about Luisaviaroma, that you know, you never know what you're gonna get. Will you get it with the box or will you not gonna get it with the box? This is kind of a little bit finicky, but despite all the facts, this is my new skirt from Fendi. And if you guys follow my channel, you know for a fact that this is my second clothing item, and this is in a Fendi Zucca print. I already have a dress in exactly the same print, and I love it. I love it so very much. I use it quite often, not as often as I should maybe, because I find that this print is a little bit loud. So I don't really use it as often, but often enough. And one thing I want to bring to your attention, that on the dress and definitely on the skirt, it says that it's dry clean only. I did wash my dress already, and I wash it just with the regular soft soap that you would have used for your hands, and I did hand wash, and I kind of, like, you know, lay it flat, and that's how I dry my dress, and it looks absolutely brand new. There is no any you know, shifting in the shape, or I didn't get any kind of, like, you know, discoloration on the fabric. It looks absolutely perfect, like a brand new dress. I didn't do it on the washing machine, even on delicate. I still washed by my hands, and I'm glad that I did, and maybe a little bit later on I will show you my dress. So but today is about this skirt, and I was actually thinking of buying this skirt a while ago. Why sometimes I'm also restricting myself of not wearing dress quite often, because, you know, when you're wearing a dress, and no matter what kind of deodorant or whatever you're using, you know, we are all people and we have, like, you know, sweats, etc. So therefore I find that the dress you would be obligated to wash quite more often comparing to the skirt. So say with the skirt I could, like, use it way more times before I'm gonna put it for the wash, because mostly obviously I'm gonna be changing my blouse, etc. And that's why I really want to get the skirt, and obviously just give a little bit of variety in my wardrobe. So as I mentioned already, I purchased this item from Luisaviaroma, and I'm gonna share with you price, guys. If you go to Fendi website, this skirt in Canadian dollars cost 1,150, so 1150 plus 13% taxes we have in Toronto. So the total price of this skirt will be $1,299.50. So pretty much $1,300. On Luisaviaroma, this skirt exactly the same price, less 13% taxes. In this case, I already saving 13% on taxes. But also when you shop at Luisaviaroma for quite a bit of time and you purchasing some items, you receive points, which is equivalent to dollars. And I already accommodated 200 euro in points, which is pretty much comes to 300 Canadian dollars. So this skirt end up I end up paying for this skirt with currency exchange, etc., $853, everything included. So $853 versus to $1,300, and so let me just 1,300 minus. So 1,300 minus 853. In total, I got saving of $446.50. Almost $450 in saving. So yes, when it comes to Luisaviaroma, if you're catching something on sale or if you accommodate enough points, it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth it, but there is a plus and minus to everything. And as I said, if you have guys interest about Luisaviaroma customer service, not that it's mean or bad or anything, but I have my penny to the jar discussing customer service at Luisaviaroma. So it's definitely worth it to buy from Luisaviaroma. And also, let me just go back once again to Fendi in general, Fendi Zucca. Quite often I hear right now on the YouTube or in a community that they're saying, Zucca print will go away very, very soon. Everybody tired of Zucca print, and maybe everybody is tired of Zucca print. But one thing I know for fact, and one thing I know for sure, no matter how the fashion goes, there is basic trends and basic items or basic colors that always stay. Brown is in fashion, and especially this fall, brown is hot. Brown always will stay. And this Zucca print, if somebody doesn't know, say Fendi fashion house in general, or just not into the fashion or high fashion very much, it just looks like regular brown skirt with a little bit of design. I personally think that Zucca print will stay, because if you're looking at the old baguette style bags, they were many years ago. Now they're once again coming to the fashion, and it was a Zucca print before, now it's a Zucca print once again back in fashion. It always goes in a circle, and round and round and round it goes. It's the same things with animal print. One year they're gonna say animal print is hot, and in a couple of years they're gonna say animal print is out. And what do you know? In a couple of more years, it's once again back. Like, as I said, the brown, the animal print, the black, the grays, the burgundies, the reds, they're blues, they're always going to be in style. So putting little bit of money into the basic items, definitely worth it. Why also I love Fendi specifically in this jersey. Their jersey fabric is quite thick, but at the same time it has a little bit of stretch, quite a bit of stretch I would put, but it keeps its shape. I actually received several questions on Instagram and on YouTube if it's keeping its shape. Yes, it does. It keeps shape, even if it's hugging you in all the right places. At the end of the day, it keeps shape. And I received so many questions and comments about the size, and the size is standard size what you're getting for yourself. I personally get size 42 Italy, or Fendi size, Italian, European size. And in American size, I'm between 6 and 8, depends on the, you know, fashion house. Sometimes I'm 6, sometimes I'm 8. So I got myself size 42, and according to their website, 42 is size 6. So they're somewhat correct in size. But also I don't like to be extremely tight, so I could have easily gone with the size 40, so then it's going to be a little bit even more snug and like more hugging on all the curves. But I choose size 42, and I got size 42 in dress, and I got size 42 in skirt. Talking about the dress, I promised you to show my dress after the wash. So this is the dress. And I already washed this dress, and like as I said, it was a hand wash. And let me just maybe even come a little bit closer to the camera. It didn't change its shape in any way. It's absolutely perfect shape. You were asking also if it changes the shape around, especially like, you know, buttocks area. No, it doesn't. It stays absolutely perfectly brand new. So far I'm extremely happy with purchasing, you know, wear items. Right now I already have a dress and I have a skirt, and I'm definitely planning to add more items from Fendi, because I think it's absolutely fantastic fashion house. And somehow I find that Fendi really speaks to me more and more every single day, because say I was trying also with the Gucci fashion house, and I love Gucci, don't get me wrong, I really love Gucci. I have several Gucci shoes, I have Gucci belt, Gucci bag, etc., Gucci sweater, but I feel that you know, Fendi a little bit more to my alley. Like, you know, I really love Fendi. Everything that what they do, I find that they are kind of like, you know, classy, but a little bit with the funky twist, and that's how I related to Fendi. So that's about it for today's video. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you like my content. If you have any questions, if you have any idea for the new videos for me, or what do you want me to you know, cover in my next video, please do not hesitate. Put all your questions and comments in the description box below, and I will gladly answer to all your questions and comments. Thank you very much once again for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye bye.